Good morning, traders. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our live trading session. Before we start, we need to check if everything is working properly. So please let me know on the chat. I will double check here. 1 second. So, guys, how are you doing on Monday? Let me know. Just 2 seconds. I will just check if everything is working and we can start our live trading session. Okay, I got information that everything is good. So, guys, let's go then. Welcome back on Monday. Today is Monday, the 17th of November. And on today's session, we're going to focus on our basic strategy, which is all in ASAP. And we're going to look for some targets. Of course, if we're going to find any opportunities on the market, I'm going to open position to show you how I do it. If not, we're going to make a plan. Maybe we're going to be able to use it later on the second part of the day, maybe during US session. So we're going to go through every currency pair, major currency pair, plus gold and crude oil. All right, guys. So like always, we're going to start from our microeconomic calendar. This is very important part of trading. Remember to check microeconomic calendar before every single session. You need to check what's coming up, what's important, because some of the news may have huge impact on the market, and that can lead to losses or maybe even losing accounts. So it's good to know what's going on today. We are on Forex Factory calendar. You can use any other website, investing.com, econoday.com. It doesn't matter. We are looking for high impact news. In Forex Factory calendar, they are marked as red, like you can see over here. So in the morning, there's nothing we should be afraid of. Later on, we got CPI in Canada. Okay, this is 2:30 Central East time. Okay, if you are in different time zone, remember to change it on the website so you won't miss anything. Okay, so 2:30 p.m. In Canada, we got CPI. That is very important, and we can expect high volatility. So we're gonna include that in our trading plan. So if there's gonna be any target on Canadian dollar, we will see. We still got some time. We got about 5 hours, more than 5 hours to those news. So maybe we're gonna be able to open the trade in the morning. We will see. And later on, nothing special. We got some FOMC member Jefferson and Williams speaks 3 and 3:30 p.m. And later on, FOMC member Walter speaks 9:35 p.m. So I think we should only look at Canadian dollar. Rest of the day is looking good. So it should be good day for us for trading. Mondays usually good. I like Mondays because I usually make the most of the profits on Mondays. So hopefully today is gonna be good day for trading. All right, guys. So let's move on straight to the charts. In the morning, we are using MetaTrader 4 platform. We got many different indicators that help us to make the right decisions. Over here on the left-hand side, you can see All-in Panel Pro. This tool allows me to set daily targets very quickly. Very quickly. Also, I can calculate lot sizes. I can set previous day, week, month highs and lows. Also, I can check clusters, imbalances, swings, and there is a Pharaoh mode which allows me to maximize my trading profits by opening 4 positions. let's say 4 positions to the target, but the risk is same like on 1 position. So I won't risk more than 1%, and I can get much more from the trade, like 4 or even 6%. So this is quite cool. Also, you can check statistics of the targets, which helps me to locate targets which are basically the best for me. Okay, we are on USD CHF. I think we might have opportunity to open the trade, maybe even now. Let me just have a look. We got 23 pips to the target. This target is from yesterday, so this target is quite fresh. So hopefully we're gonna get to this target. Maybe we're gonna open the position, but I need to add some other things like previous day, high, low, previous week, and previous month. So let's do that. Okay, this is previous day, previous month. Okay, previous month is quite low, so I'm gonna remove that. Previous week low, we don't need that at this moment. Let's check clusters also. Nice. We got cluster at the target. So probably we're going to be able to set order for reaction and to get to the target. So we might have double profit over here. Okay. Before we're going to open the position, no rush. Okay. I don't want to open just now because I can see the candle. We need to check few more other things before I'm going to decide if I want to make this decision or not. Okay, so I need to be sure. Let's move on to 4 hour time frame and let's see what is the market structure at this moment. So looking at the chart, 4 hour time frame, it looks like we are going down. We are in bearish market structure. Let's double check. We got some swings over here, still bearish. Mm, think we should be good. Over here we had swing, so I'm not sure, guys. I need to mark this swing over here because there was a swing, so we might be in wrong market structure. We got swing over here, then swing low, but don't worry, we can try to do this from 1 hour time frame. From 1 hour time frame we are bullish, so this is quite tricky one, because it looks like we are in bullish market structure because we got swing here, swing here. I need to mark this swing over here. So right in this place, we got break of market structure. And the market structure is wrong. We should be in bearish market structure if you want to think about opening trades to go down. And from 1 hour time frame, even if I want to do it from lower time frame, we are here bullish as well. So I thought we're gonna be able to open position to get to the target right now, but market structure is wrong. So let's leave this trade. Probably we're gonna just set order for reaction, okay? Because in this case, in this kind of setups, we don't need to look for a market structure if we are talking about reaction setup. So probably we can set order right here, and we're gonna do that. Let me just double check. Yes. Okay. We got cluster here. Lorenzo, hello, Bart. Hello. Hi. Okay, so we know we can set order for reaction. We got some time, so no rush. You're gonna take it easy. I want to check 4 hour time frame. What's going on? I'm gonna check first two swings. So this one here and this one here. I'm not doing like that to check rotation channel. I want to check first two swings, okay? This swing here and this swing here. The price was breaking through a little bit, but we got another reaction here, and now the price stopped as well. So if we are looking at rotation channel, we got some undershoot over here, which is fine, but there is a chance we're gonna drop down here, but market structure is bullish, so I don't want to open trade at this moment, guys. Unfortunately, no. And we got some support resistance on over here, and we are just in this area right now. So there is a chance we're gonna bounce from here, and maybe we're gonna go up. So this trade might be a little bit risky. So I want to look for a perfect setup for me. Um, that's why I'm gonna leave it. We can set order for reaction with low risk. That's no problem. Orders for reactions are very simple because we don't need to look at market structure. We're just gonna set order for reaction at the target. And I'm only setting those orders if I got clusters close to the target. And here we got cluster, which is good. So we can set order for 10 pips. Risk to reward 1 to 1. So let's move to MFA platform, and we want USD CHF, right? Yes, USD CHF. What is the price level? This is 79080. 79080. 7908. Let's make 0.85, okay? Stop loss I want for 10 pips, so it's gonna be minus 100 points because this is pips points, and we got over here how many percent I want to risk. I want to risk this is gonna be small risk, $1,000, no more. Okay, and also we can set straight away take profit, which is gonna be 10 pips also. So around $1,000. Okay, I'm gonna set buy limit order. You can see order is set. Let me just add target over here. So this is target. I'm gonna change color so we can see that a little bit better. Okay. So we got target right here. Okay. Let me just move this. We got target here. And long position is right here. Risk to reward 1 to 1. This is 5 minutes time frame, okay? We can move to 15 minutes time frame. Okay. Order is set. I'm gonna make a screenshot and we're gonna put that in a trading journal. So let me do that. Okay. Save. Okay. Let's move on to trading journal. This is all in ASAP, and today is the 17th of November. Okay. This is USD CHF. Buy limit reaction. Okay. Order set for reaction at the target from yesterday. there is cluster on the target. That's why I set my order with risk to reward 1 to 1 and with low risk of $1,000. Okay. Come on. I need to add something else. If order won't be activated till 8 p.m., uh, will I will remove it. Okay, so it's gonna be valid only today. Let me just change it over here. 20. Okay, buy limit. And let me just put the screenshot over here. Okay. Okay, we're gonna check that trade later on. So let's go back into our charts and let's see what's going on. You can see reaction at support at the resistance zone. So who knows if we're gonna go higher, if we're gonna go up, probably I will remove this trade. Okay, so let's start from Euro USD now. We got target which is above the price. We got around 20 pips, but if the price will close above exponential moving average, it will be a little bit tight. Let's check if we got cluster at the target. We do have a cluster on the target. Okay, let's check 4-hour time frame. We got quite few targets. Maybe we're gonna be able to use this one, which is a little bit higher. We will see. Okay, what is the market structure from 4-hour time frame? If you are looking at the swings, we got one swing over here. Okay, let's say we got swing over here. At this moment, we are in bullish market structure from 4-hour time frame. Okay, so this direction might be good. Let's check if we can find some rotation channel. Maybe I'm gonna switch to 1-hour time frame. It's gonna be hard. Probably we will have to do it from here. Because if I want to grab it from here, it doesn't look too good for me. Interesting. Interesting, because we got overshoot over here and we got some undershoot down here, which is looking good. Let me check something else. What if we want to do it like this? It can work. In both cases, the first option and the second one, we are on the other side of rotation channel. So we got some breakout of rotation channel, okay? Is 1-hour time frame. So there is a chance the price will drop a little bit lower. Let's check support resistance zone over here. This is working quite well. Another one over here. Let me leave this one, the first one here. We got nice reactions from the top and the bottom is looking good. Here we got a lot of space, but let's leave it. The price is breaking through the rotation channel and we might drop down. We might drop down. The only thing I can see over here, we got situation that we got some overshoot on this side. And we might expect something similar on the other side. And we got exactly the same situation on here, which is good. The only thing is this candle is bearish. So we need to see the price breaking through the exponential moving average, and then we're gonna have option to open the trade, but this target will be too close. Okay. If the price will close like this, we're gonna be like maybe 10 pips away from this target. But I told you we got some cluster. You can see cluster is over here. I'm not sure if you are able to see that. We got cluster right here. And if the price will come back, this will be also bottom of rotation channel. So this area might be nice for reaction. Why not? So here, probably we can set order for reaction for 10 pips also. And we will see. We got another target which is up there, but we can make plan how to get there because I want to first see the price coming back into this rotation channel, and then we might have opportunity to go up. But first we need to go back into rotation channel. Okay, so let me just set order for reaction at Euro USD. Level is 16297. Two 97 points. We got 100 points, which means 10 pips, and I want to risk no more than $1,000. Okay, take profit also for 10 pips. Good. And we want to go down. Let's set order. This order is set. Risk to reward 1 to 1. With these orders, the good thing is that you don't need to think too much. You don't need to analyze too much. Uh, don't need to look for market structure and stuff like that. If there is a target and cluster on the target, 1 to 1 risk to reward, 10 pips take profit, 10 pips stop loss, and leave it. Just remember to remove position by the end of the day. Okay. So we got another order set for reaction at Euro USD. I'm gonna make screenshot also, so we're gonna put that in the trading journal. Okay, trading journal, and we got Euro USD. Sell limit for reaction. Okay, order for action set at 1 to 1. Mm. Total risk of $1,000. Remember to move order by the end of the day. Okay. Okay, we got another order for reaction. These are very low risk, so let's try to find some nice target so we can get to that target with the better risk to reward, like 1 to 2. We're gonna look for that now. Okay, so GBP USD. Oh, one more. We're gonna make a plan for Euro USD just in case the price will go up. Maybe we can get to that target. So first of all, this situation is quite good because we got overshoot, undershoot, the same size, similar. So if the price will go up, maybe to the target, maybe there will be reaction at the target. Mm, I need to see the price come back into a rotation channel. Okay, that's very important. So might be something like this. Okay, and if I'm gonna have reaction at rotation channel, we should have opportunity to go up. But look at the left hand side. What we got over here. Is this good place to open the position just before double top? Is this good place to open position? I don't think so, guys. So also we got cluster here. So better, it will be better. 1 second, where is my mouse? Okay, over here. So we got double top over here. So it might be better for us to wait this trade maybe for tomorrow. I don't think we're gonna do that today. So first of all, we need to break this double top, retest, and reaction. Maybe bounce from rotation channel. So first option, second option, okay? So that's, I don't think this trade will be for today. Maybe we're gonna use it tomorrow. Just in case, I'm gonna save this screenshot. If we're gonna see situation like that, I will open the position, but probably tomorrow. So we got plan maybe for tomorrow. Okay, let's save it. Gonna put that in trading journal. So Euro USD, probably for the next day, okay? I need to wait for the price to come back to from 1 hour time frame, break through double top and retest it. Then after reaction, I will look for perfect entry. Good. We're gonna come back to this trade probably tomorrow. I don't think they're gonna do it today, so maybe tomorrow. Let's leave it. Let's move forward then. We got Euro USD, we got GBP over here. Let's check GBP. Any targets? There is one target over here, 4 hour time frame. This is not looking good. You know why? Because we are in some kind of range. Look what's going on in this area. Prices moving up and down. Buyers and sellers are fighting. So it's not the greatest place to open the position. Especially, well, let's check market structure. It is bullish at this moment. So this target over here, not really. And this one here is 120 pips away. So it's a little bit far. Okay. Yeah. Price is moving up, down, up, down. It's better to look for trade in trend. It's easier and we can get much more from. So let's just leave it, okay? USD CHF, we already know what to do. USD CAD. Remember, on this one here, we got some news coming up later on, the CPI. So they are very important, but we don't have any targets close by. There is one over here, but it's too far. 120 pips, way too far. Okay. What's next? We got USD JPY. This one is quite interesting for all in ASAP strategy. One target here, nothing above, and we are in bullish market structure at this moment. I know there is a huge gap over here. I know it's there, but don't focus on those gaps. Okay. Many times you can see that the price is getting close, they're bouncing back, they're getting close, they're bouncing back, and people trying to close the gap. Don't focus on that. If you can include that in your trading plan with some strategy, okay, it's fine. But open position just to close the gap, not really. Where is okay? USD JPY. So now we are going up, like you can see over here. The price is moving higher and higher. No targets above, so we cannot use it. Australian dollar. Daily target is over here. 36 pips. Hmm. 35 pips. Look at this retest. Oh, okay, let's trend line down here. But if we want to go up, okay, this is 1 hour time frame market structure. Not sure if it's bullish. I don't like if the price only bring swing. We can mark this swing, okay? It's fine, but I think we are still bearish. If the body of the candle would close like this, okay, above this level, fine, but it's only weak. Or maybe they just grabbed some liquidity and they dropped down. Not sure about that, so probably we're gonna leave this one, Australian dollar, because I'm not sure about this structure. We might drop down. Let's leave it. Let's leave it. If you are not sure something look bad for you, do not trade on it. If you are not sure, leave it. Look for the setups that when you look at this setup, you are thinking, yes, this is the setup I want to open. This is the setup I want to when I want to open the trades, because otherwise, if you're gonna choose setups which you are not sure, you're gonna hit more stop losses. Trust me. Okay, New Zealand dollar, nothing over here. So we got two left. We got crude oil and gold. Let's check crude oil. Crude oil is closing the morning gap. Good. Yes or no? No. Yes. Why this? Because there is a chance we're gonna get there. Let's check in. Can we find any rotation channel? Not really. Not really. The price might close this gap. Uh, check 1 hour time frame. I know we got gap right here. Okay, we might close it, but after the closing the gap, uh, price usually reacts. So we might wait for the reaction at this level somewhere here, and then we look for strong reaction. So we're gonna wait for exponential moving average and let the price break through to close this gap, reaction, and maybe we're gonna bounce again from this area right here. But let's check previous day, high low, previous week. Okay, you can see we got previous day high. Oh, something is wrong over here. Previous day high is right there. So what's going on? Hmm, very strange. But we got previous week low and the price just stopped at this level. Okay, let's check cluster. Hmm, 1 second, something is wrong in here. Just scroll on. Not sure what's going on. Let me just remove it. Let's do it again. Not sure what's going on with these clusters. Let's leave it for now. We can check clusters manually, but it's gonna take some time. Mm, okay, so let's make a plan how to get to this target right here. So first of all, I want to see the price close the gap. I want to see reaction at the gap. And if we're gonna bounce again from this trend line and the price will close above this area, uh, there is a chance to open the position. We need to look at exponential moving average. So basically, we need to break through and retest exponential moving average. We're gonna have quite a few pips to get, so this might be quite nice, but we need to wait for perfect conditions. I don't want to open it now because the price stopped at exponential moving average. First of all, we need to close above exponential moving average. But like I said, if the price will close this gap, usually there is reaction. Sometimes this reaction is quite strong. So if I'm gonna open position just before this area, it's too risky for me, and I don't want to take that risk. So first, I will let them to close this gap. Then I'm gonna wait for reaction, and we're gonna try to open the trade to get to this target. Mm, and I can only open the trade in this situation like this. If not, doesn't matter. Okay, we can look for some other trades later on. Remember, this is only morning, so later on we got another session. We can find some other opportunity. So don't try to force mornings that you need to open the trade in the morning. No, if you can't feel the market, if you can't see any setups, leave it. Later we got another session. We can do it on another session. Okay. So slowly, take it easy. What's going on with trading journal? I don't know what happened. I will check that later. It doesn't work at this moment. I go. This screen is safe, so I'm gonna put that in trading journal later on. And let's check the last one. Last one is gold. Everyone likes gold. Okay, this is all in panel. Okay, let's check out gold. Any targets? No targets. Oh no. Let me just check targets from yesterday, from Friday, basically. No, it's done. Unfortunately, we don't have any targets on gold. I'm not surprised because gold usually uh, is getting to the targets early morning. So if you want to use targets on gold, you should watch the market just after open of the day. All right. So what's going on here? Euro USD is dropping down. USD CHF is going up. So we're going opposite direction than our order for reaction. But like you can see, probably some of you already open position after this candle to go down. But if you look at market structure and stuff like that, this is support resistance zone. Uh, I think it was good decision to hold on because we can see strong reaction now. Okay, so let's leave it. We might drop down later. I don't know that yet. And also the same on Euro USD. We might drop down. Remember that the price went out of rotation channel, and probably if we're gonna break through this area right here, we might have a chance to go to that target, which is lower. But remember that this is support resistance zone. It's quite strong. So first of all, we need to break through this area. Okay. So maybe later or tomorrow we're gonna have a chance to use this target, which is a little bit lower. So if you are thinking about old targets like this one, this is from target from 5th of November. We can still use it, but we need to wait for the price to drop down to get closer to this target. Then we're gonna have a chance to use it because price usually getting to those targets the next day, but some of them the price is coming back after 1 week, sometimes after 1 month. but you would be surprised how they reacting after even 1 month. Sometimes reaction is just in point, perfect reaction. Okay, so they are still important for the market. All right, GBP USD. No, I think we done everything what we could. We got two order set for reaction. One on Euro USD, the other one on USD CHF. Okay, so we're gonna wait and see if the price will get there or not. And later on, guys, we're gonna have another session price action cycle. We're gonna jump on 5 minutes time frames. We're gonna look at futures contracts on trading view to look for the best entries, and hopefully later on we're gonna have more opportunities on the market. uh, One more thing, remember you don't have to open 20 positions a day. If you're gonna look for the best setups, you can open 1 or 2 positions a day and it's enough. Even if you not gonna open any position, nothing's gonna happen. Just wait for perfect situation. Even if you're gonna open 3 4 trades in a week, but these setups are gonna be the best setups you can find, and you are sure about those setups, there's more likely you're gonna finish a week with the profits. So this is important. That's why we're not opening 100 positions. We are waiting for perfect setups, and we are making plans. So if not now, later on. If not later on, maybe tomorrow. Doesn't matter. I'm trading on this account, so I'm showing you how we open trades on live trading sessions and how we do it, how we use those plans later on. So, guys, easy Monday, slowly, no rush, take it easy. I'm gonna leave the charts for now and come back probably later on to see if there's something interesting on the market. At this moment, I think we can finish session. So take it easy, guys. I will see you later on another live trading session. So take care, guys. Good luck, and hopefully we're gonna get nice profits.